Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to do topic 70, that is storage pests and their management. So first of all we are going to do topic 70A and the remaining parts we will cover in topic 72. Actually it was getting a little bit bigger, so we will cut into two smaller sessions. So the first topic of this session is management of stored grain pests. Management of stored grain pests. So first of all we will discuss preventive measures, management, or you can say measures of how to manage. So we will first of there are two types of measures. First one is preventive and second one is curative measures. To prevent, in preventive we will say preventive measures. So how we can prevent the attack of stored grain pests. So first one is hygiene and sanitation. First we should drying of grain till it attains to 8 to 10% of moisture, and we need to clean the grains. It should be free from obnoxious odor. Storage structure should be clean and airtight. Clean and airtight. Second, threshing floor. Machines, harvesting machines. This should be clean and free from infestation. Clean and free from insect infestation. Thirdly, storage structure should be clean. The cracks present in storage structure, cracks should be services, holes, etc. should be closed well in the storage structure. Whitewashing should be, we should do whitewashing of storage structure. Washing of storage structure. And more what we can do is closing rat burrow with broken glass and piece of mud. Let me write it here. Let me rough some part of it. But we can close rat burrow through, or you can say rat holes, through broken glass and mud, through the use of mixture of broken glass pieces plus mud. So we will make a mixture and close the burrow using it. So these are things you can do to storage structure. Number 4, we need to do proper stacking. On wood slats, plastic 0.5 meter away from wall. Properly you can sew on wood, or we can stack on plastics. It should be 0.5 meter away from wall and floor. 0.5 meter away from wall and floor, and 0.2 meter open space towards roof, and 0.2 meters open space towards roof. So suppose this is the structure. So from walls and this wall and floor, it should be around 0.5 meters. So stack should be at this place, away from this 0.5 meter and over 0.5 meter, but when it after stacking, when it comes to floor, we will leave 0.2 meter space on the upper part so that it doesn't touches floor. Do not stack more than 10 bags vertically, and don't stack more than 10 bags vertically. Suppose 1 bag, 2 bag, 3 bag, it should be not more than 10 bags. Number 5 is disinfestation and storage containers. Disinfestation of storage containers and structures. So we need to disinfect storage containers and structures. Gunny bags, use the gunny bags which we are going to use, gunny bags or jute bags you can say, should be dipped in malathion, should be washed with malathion 0.1% or phenvalerate at 0.1%, and you should dip it for 10 minutes. Only one of them, you should dip in any one of them for 10 minutes, not 10%, 10 minutes. We should treat walls and surface with malathion. Fumigate with aluminum phosphate. We can fumigate the structures using aluminum phosphate. Sorry, aluminum phosphide at the rate 21 to 30 gram. And we should dry the gunny bags in sun. So this was preventive measures of management of the stored grain pests. Now what are the curative measures? It was prevent, we will prevent. Now how will you cure? Suppose the store pests have been attacked, pests have already attacked, so how will you cure this? Curative measures. Number B is curative measures. So first one is ecological. So what happens? Temperature above 40 degree and below 15 degree Celsius retard and kill insect. This retard or kill insect attack. Grain moisture should be 10% or less. Oxygen, it should be reduced using, or you can say by adding CO2 and N2. So if in these conditions the pest will not, the insect or the pest will not able to grow properly, and their population will slow down and retard. What are the mechanical measures? Mechanical curative measures such as screening. We can do screening. We can do grain protection, such as using insect probe trap. We can use UV light, etc. Now third one is physical, that is heat treatment. 55 to 60 degrees Celsius, these will kill insect. Controlled atmosphere. Mixing inert dust, we can mix inert, INERT, inert dust. So these are physical methods. Now moving on to cultural methods, or you can say cultural curative measures, cultural measures. Number 4, cultural. Cultural, that is splitting of pulse, probing of paddy. For example, we can do culturally, we can do splitting of pulse. We will first split the pulse and then store it. And we can do pro boiling. आप सभी से जानते होंगे, घर में देखा होगा आपने, उसना इसे कहते हैं. इसमें क्या कहते हैं, बिफोर स्टोरिंग द राइस वी बॉइल इट, सॉरी बॉइल द पैडी. बिफोर स्टोरिंग द पैडी वी बॉइल इट एंड देन ड्राई इट देन स्टोर. दैट इज प्रो बॉइलिंग ऑफ पैडी. Number 5 is botanical. That is we can use neem, karanj, castor oil, etc. 6 is chemical. That is we can use malathion at 50 EC. We can use delta methrin at 2.5 WP. We can use aluminum phosphide. Now next is engineering. We can use airtight storage. We can use hermetic storage. Hermetic, HERMENTIC. Hermetic storage, that is, which is also known as underground storage. So these were some of the management measures, that is both preventive and curative we have understood. Now moving on to the next topic of this session, that is storage pests with attack pulse. Storage pests which attack pulses. So first one is, we will discuss some common storage pests which attack pulses. First was in khapra beetle. Khapra beetle, what does its larva? The larva of khapra beetle chew seed coat. Second one is pulse beetle. It is a very major disease, pulse beetle, major storage pest of pulses. It makes cavity and holes in pulses. Makes cavity and holes. Third one is red floor beetle. Larva hides into grain. Its larva hides in two grains. Fourth one is Angomius grain moth. It feeds on, it larva feeds on grain. One is rice moth, and rice moth rarely attacks pulses, but yes, there are many evidences that we have seen their attack in pulses. Its larva damages grain. So this was about storage pests which attack pulses. I hope you understand this. So that is all for today's session. For any queries, do comment. If you like it, please press the like button. Do share and subscribe. Keep making notes. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.